He also spoke better ki then we if you are attending the class at the home, so then parents also can judge ki what they are studying. And he spoke better point ki like then if we are coming to school by the vehicles and by the scooter, by the car, so then pollution occurs. Okay, so it harm for our environment. Okay, so yes, what is your point? I am coming to you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Bhavya Sambari, and I am in favor of online classes. So, as we all know that in offline class, that any student is taking leave, so his so for some day leave for some days, so his studies affected. He got lost in studies. So because of it. In online class we can take the classes from anywhere, so it is nice. It is online classes is much better than offline classes, and it is it's conserve our money also. Thank you.
So she spoke better. Okay, what's your point? We can save the money. Okay, so by attending the class at the home. So what is your point? Yes.
As he said that the in the Varun,
Varun.
he says that the in
Varun said that.
ki in the offline classes we go by the bicycles and motorcycles, scooters, that the pollution occurs, but that is not but not
Yes. Just a minute. Yes.
He says that pollution occur, but now times electric scooties, bikes and bicycles are coming, and when many students go schools to their bicycles, this is maintain our health, and this is also physical exercise, and some students come to their electric vehicles that does not can polluted our environment. And in online classes sometimes mobile get discharged, but in offline classes this type of problems does not occur. Thank you.
So she said very well ki like if you are coming to school, so we can come by bicycle, electric vehicle, so then pollution will not occur in the environment. So what do you think?
Ma'am, actually she spoke very well regarding that, but I think as the point is that electric vehicles are also very expensive, that not everyone can afford it because it's too expensive for that. And at last time Yoganshi said that in offline classes we are updated from our friends, but nowadays like in our school also we are updated from our own app, so we can get updated from that also. Thank you.
Nice. Yes.
as she said, this is not compulsory, then we can also come by our feet. This is not compulsory, we are come by school to our vehicles. This is not compulsory, you can come school by your feet only.
She is saying ki then we can come to school by on foot. So if the person is living so far from the school, so what can we do?
They can use bicycles.
She is saying ki then we can come the bicycle. So what's your point, Manan?
Ma'am, Bhavya spoke very well that we can conserve money. How we can conserve money? By taking online classes. Online classes is too expensive as offline classes. Yes. How can you say that offline classes are too expensive than online classes? How can you say that? I want to know.
He is saying ki online classes are also expensive. So what is your point?
In offline classes we have to take the uniform, school fees, and stationery products. So this is more expensive than the online classes, because in online classes we have to only buy a phone and recharge plan. So
So she spoke ki then if you are coming in the schools, then we have to wear uniform and we have to come on the time. So Manan, So
She said that we can afford in offline classes we have to take school uniform, school accessories, stationery, etc. fees. So but in offline in online classes we take a phone. She said, Bhavya, that we take phone only in online classes, but phone is too expensive nowadays. So how can we able to?
so phone is also expensive. So what is your point? Yes, you have spoken. Yes.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Ashish. I am support online classes because in offline classes so many students disturbs us, but in online classes we don't have to face any disturbance. In online classes we are in the front of our parents. Our parents can see what we are doing in online classes. In the offline classes are too expensive and online classes are not expensive. When we going to school by school bus or van, there are many much pollution is surrounding in our surrounding that harm to our body. Thank you.
So he also spoke very well. Yuvraj, you have a question? Yes.
That Swani said that they can buy electric scooters as vehicles are started, but anyone cannot afford their electric bicycles. They have they can afford they have to buy a mobile under 10,000 and a SIM, and they can start online classes.
He is saying कि then we can purchase mobile like around 10,000 rupees, and only that is the one expensive. Okay, like we can attend the class at the home. Then if you are coming to school, then we have to purchase electric bike and cycles and any other expenses also. So yes, what is your point?
Ma'am, he spoke very well, but I want to say that he is talking about 10,000 phone. But in 10,000 phone, the GB is very low. 10,000 rupees phone, the GB is very low, and sometimes phone get hacked by someone, and we could not able to attend that classes. But in offline, we are continuing our classes, and sometimes teacher absent. We share many things with our friends while teacher is absent, and we share many things. But when the teacher is present, we share many views from our teachers. Thank you.
Yes, very good. Yes, what is your point? You want to speak?
Good morning, my name is Manu Now from class 2 is point. Online class is a better teachers any question any things. Or offline classes in or no better no parents and any things.
So she spoke कि like online classes are better, then we can attend the class at the home. So what is your point? You don't want to speak? Yes.
Good morning everyone. My name is Priyanshu Kumar Chaudhary and I am support to online classes because online classes are attend to any time and any place, but offline classes are not attend to any time and any place, or and offline classes are disturb and make a noise, but online classes are not disturb and attend to online classes. Thank you.
He is saying कि like in the offline classes, then students disturbs in the class. So online classes are better कि like we can attend the class alone at the home, like in our room. So what is your point? You want to speak something?
In the offline classes, all students must have to present in their classes. If someone is absent, so in the next day he can ask or she can ask to the teachers or some friends what did they studied in their previous class. But in the online classes, they do not ask from their teachers or students. They can't focus